What were you saying? Are you going to stop saying it now? You said it about 10 times in a row. Bye-bye. That's right, my little baby. You're so smart. You were saying, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
That's silly. I love you. She was just memorizing the globe here. Yeah. That's next, huh? If this camera ever breaks, I'm giving it to her. She loves it so much. Maybe we should just get Mommy her own camera. This one's Kyla's. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yep, and put it right there. Oh, goodness. I like your crinkly nose. Yep. Say bye-bye.